The Porsche Classic Challenge is a challenge that they've been doing for now 5 years. Nearly 2/3 of the cars that Porsche have ever produced are still on the road today. So to highlight that, Porsche has kind of put this challenge out to the different dealers to either find a car or have a customer that has a car to bring back to its previous glory. The history behind this specific 959 is really amazing. This specific car actually was purchased by General Motors. It was actually purchased directly from Germany, flown over to Michigan, and it was at the Proving Grounds. A really cool story to see that this car that's never been titled, that was never allowed in the United States, was flown over by GM just to do testing on to see how they can make the Corvette even better.
So the model itself was kind of a trailblazer. I mean, the car's from 1987 and has tire pressure monitoring. You know, it's pretty unheard of at the time of not only technology, but performance as well.
This car was a benchmark General Motors purchased to try to get to 200 miles an hour. For the majority of the miles that this car has was all Proving Grounds driving at probably really high speeds at 200 miles an hour to see how this car really did it.